Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pumping, which is beautiful. Stock market also pumping, which is surprising. I bought a lot of Google yesterday. I bought back into Google. I'm buying a lot of Apple and Microsoft as well, and I'm going to show you why. What I've done last week on Friday, I sold all my positions in stocks and crypto, but I've bought back so far now Google, FXS. I'm going to buy Microsoft and I'm going to buy Apple, and I'm going to show you in the video. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and we'll jump into technicals for Bitcoin, and let's see how far we can go. Let's jump in technicals for Bitcoin now. Loading. So Tesla is up 1.7%, 7% yesterday. It's actually higher than when I sold it on. So Tesla is still pumping. FXS up 5.5%. I bought back around $60,000 of FXS. MCRT up 5%, which is beautiful. MCRT having a strong breakout. Very off the bottom, actually. This is on the monthly candles. Let's go into the 4-hourly. Large volume and big spike on MCRT on the release of the Web3. Actually bounced perfectly off the trend line. I am the founder of this project. You have to do your own due diligence, but pay attention to MCRT. Let's go into Bitcoin. 22,700 Bitcoin pumping, which is beautiful. And it's invalidated this. I talked about this yesterday. Invalidated the big inverse head and shoulders. That's invalidated. The big head and shoulders invalidated. It broke out. Wow, it's breaking out like crazy. It reached 22, almost 23,000. It broke out of this yesterday. If you followed my video, we went long on this descending triangle and it played out amazing. Big W. It already hit the target of the W. So this was the W that broke out. That was the neckline, and we went long yesterday actually, so that's beautiful. The trade is already in profits. The big resistance is at 23,200 here, but that's a really good sign. But that will be the strong resistance. There's one resistance where we are right now, and 23,137 is a strong one, then 24,000. But big W V-shaped recovery, like big recovery, big W recovery. So target would be here, 23,444. 23,444. If you haven't gone long on Bitcoin, you can open a long on a pullback. So waiting till it pulls back a little bit to this support, stop loss just underneath. Actually, in case there, waiting till a pullback, and then take profit at 24. Actually, let's go closer. That's on the 4-hourly. On the hourly, so Bitcoin breaking out of that big falling wedge, broke out. I talked about that yesterday. Where I would go long, if you haven't, is I would do it on the 15-minute. We're overbought. On the hourly, we are also slightly overbought. So I would expect a little bit of a pullback to this support line. It's quite strong here. So I would go long off that support with a tight stop loss underneath. If you haven't gone long, waiting for a bit of a pullback, a little bit of a cool down like that, and take profit at the 24K target. That's 16 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $103 to make $1,671. With 10x leverage, that's $16,700 profits. With 20x leverage, that's almost $32,000 of profits. That's the long that I would take on Bitcoin. Opening at 22,513, stop loss at 22,410, and take profit at 24,184. Risk to reward 16, risking $103 to make $1,671 without leverage per Bitcoin. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath the video, in the description and pin comment of the video, so down below in the description and pin comment, I use this exchange for trading, Bybit. It's the second biggest exchange. If you've been using other exchanges, if you're worried about other exchanges going bankrupt, Bybit, they've showed their proof of reserves. I know the CEO, it's a very strong exchange. It's the second biggest one. Under the video, go down below, sign up using that link. You get a $30,000 bonus when you meet all the trading requirements, $30,000 bonus using that link. It is for a limited time only. You can also buy MCRT on there. MCRT is up 5% today. Take the crypto master course to learn technical analysis and join the free Telegram group. And in the Telegram group, people are making lots of gains. I posted this: congratulations, Bitcoin pumping, FXS pumping, MCRT pumping. My Bitcoin trade was up $1,600 from yesterday, which is beautiful, while I was flying my trade, making money, which is very nice. Paid for my flights, actually, my business class. FXS up 7%, Tesla up 7%, 2%, MCRT is more than 5% now, so we had a big pump up in the market. Yesterday I also posted this Microsoft. This is Microsoft chart on the long monthly time frame. It's a stock, and you can see a giant bull flag forming for Microsoft that will take it up into the $500 range. So the AI, the whole narrative of AI might be a really big one. This is where I posted yesterday. This is, if you join the membership, the join button is on YouTube. You see my live trades. I bought Google. I bought 33% of my position in Google. And I was just showing why I bought Google and why the supports are. And this is, I opened a long on Bitcoin. Head and shoulder seems invalidated. That long is playing out, which is beautiful. And a lot of the students making lots of gains as well. I'll show you just down here. You can see this student made $3,700 profits. This student 60%. This is just today. This student made 101%. This student 727% profit on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. This student 50%. This student 56%. Make sure you take the crypto master course so you know what I'm doing as well. In my account in here, I've got 234,000 in here. I've got 117,000 USD, 10.7 million MCRT, about 48,000 MCRT, almost 1.5 Bitcoin, $34,000 worth, and my Bitcoin trade is 1,529%. I will add to this position. I will add to this Bitcoin trade at 22. I want to, what? How did I didn't scribble that. Weird. I'm going to see where I'm going to add to my Bitcoin trade. So I'll add at 22,513. I'm going to add another $1,000. This trade is around, it's a $3,000 trade with 20x leverage, so it's a $60,000 trade. I'm going to add another $1,000 at that support. So at order price 22513. I'm going to add another $1,000, 20x leverage, so it'll be a $20,000 addition to the trade. Open long, so it's going to add to my already existing position. It'll be another 20,000, so it'll turn my trade into about an $80,000 trade. It's going to add it at 22,513, another 0.8 Bitcoin. Confirm 22,513. That's set, and that order is in place now. It will add to the position automatically. And this is the trade that's already open. Okay, that's enough. In the next video, I'm going to go over Ethereum. MCRT is also up, even with Bitcoin pumping. MCRT 3.8% on the release of the Web3 lobby system. Today, they're going into testing. You can play actual Web3 games now. You need an NFT, 812 rank, market cap 9.8 million, volume 475,000, and just MCRT is growing like crazy, which is beautiful. And they released the Web3 lobby today. That's what made it go the stage 3 of Web3 lobby. So the Web3 lobby, you can see the different stages. So we had the testnet, we have Web3 lobby system activate today, and the Web3 lobby mainnet will be released very soon. This is a new map that's being created on the Magicraft world. It looks epic. The developers making new map. James has the most useful information on YouTube, hands down, thumbs up. Thank you, Michael. You are obviously truly passionate about trading and tea. Love your videos. Thank you. This was Microsoft that I talked about, this giant bull flag that's forming. You can see here, this is a bull flag. And look what Microsoft is forming. If that takes us, that's going to go 494 on Microsoft. The Web3 dashboard activated today. So now the games are in Web3 now. They're already being played, which is beautiful. That's a lot of information. In the next video, I'll go into more detail on Ethereum. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru. Comment, did you buy Bitcoin? Did you make profits? How much percentage did you make? And I'll see you all again tomorrow.